So everybody, finally welcoming you to Delhi, India. So let's go, let's do it. Hala, this is so exciting. Oh my God, my first vlog in Delhi is so hype. It's so lit, it's so amazing. Hi everybody, so ayan na. I was just eating my ice cream. I bought something from McDonald's. Tapos I didn't notice this. Hello.
This is a Sikh temple.
Ah,
This is the most important temple and this is the famous temple in Delhi.
okay.
Sheeshganj,
Okay.
Punjabi temple.
Okay, thank you. Nice
What's
meeting
your
you. Kay, my name is Kay.
Okay.
Hello.
He's my friend.
A friend? Okay. Okay.
You're my friend.
Sure. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you. Wala, ang gwapo naman nito. Shucks, pasok kaya ako dito. Mukha siyang patan. Gwapo talaga ng mga patan, no? Hey, let's admit it. Kung patan yung manloloko sa'yo, okay lang. Because they're so gwapo. Imaginein mo, lokohin ka ng pangit, pinirahan ka pa. Double kill ka, girl. At least, diba, sa patan, pag niloko ka, mag-enjoy ka. Oo, kaya maarte sa mga patan kasi nag-enjoy din naman kayo. Pero maartihan nyo din eh.